Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into the warm, comforting world of apples, cinnamon, and creamy deliciousness. We're baking a super creamy apple cake that melts in your mouth, fills your kitchen with the coziest aroma, and leaves everyone begging for more. Ready to turn basic apples into magic? Let's get to it. First things first, let's cream together the eggs and sugar until they're light and fluffy. This is what gives our cake that tender, melt-in-your-mouth texture. Now slowly pour in that melted butter, then add the sour cream and vanilla. Look at that creamy base. It's already dreaming of becoming cake. In a separate bowl, whisk together your flour, your baking powder, your baking soda, your cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Now gently fold that into the creamy mixture. Don't overmix, just make sure it's enough to bring it all together. Now let's get hold of our apples. First, you have to peel them, and once you are done peeling them, it's time to slice them into thin wedges, because each slice is a little piece of autumn on its own. There are a few more things you need to know before making this simple yet unforgettable apple cake that is rich in flavor. Get the sliced apple mixed so that you will get that creamy texture that we all are looking for. Now here is the most important part. Let's get our fresh, juicy apples. Mix them together gently with our egg and flour so that every bite you get will be bursting with fruity goodness. You can add nuts here if you want a little crunch contrast. Totally optional, but totally delicious. Now pour that luscious apple and egg mixture into a greased 9-inch pan. But first, you have to do this process slowly, and if you want to know more about this, you can find all the ingredient in the description box below. Now we have to get it baked at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for about 45 to 50 minutes. Until it's golden, set it in the center, and at this time, your house will be smelling like a fall dreams. Let it cool just a bit, and if you're feeling fancy, dust it with powdered sugar or drizzle with a simple vanilla glaze. It's beautiful, it's rich, and oh yes, it's creamy to the core. Okay, this is the moment of truth. Let's take a bite. Oh my God, now this is ridiculously good. Creamy, fluffy, cinnamony, and the apples, pure heaven. This is the kind of cake you make for someone you love, or just to love yourself a little more. If you have tried this recipe before, let me know how it turns out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more cozy kitchen magic like this. Until next time, keep it sweet and creamy, and I will see you all in the next video.